Raffy Drawings.
Hi kids and welcome to the Raffy Drawing channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig on her birthday.
Wow!
Before we start, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's start drawing. I start with Peppa's eyes. I draw her nose. Then, the shape of her face. I draw her 2 ears, one here and one there. I draw a circle for her cheek and her smiling mouth. Then, I draw her body and her arms. Now, let's draw her birthday gift. We'll add some circle for the wrapping paper, just like this. Okay, now I write the text. Happy birthday, H, hey, double P, Y, D, D, A, Y. Finally, let's draw some balloons and confettis all around her. Very cool! Now I use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring! I start with Peppa's skin and I use this pink marker. Now I use light pink for her nose and her cheek. Vibrant red for her dress. Then I color her gift with purple and yellow. Now let's color happy birthday, balloons and confettis with the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, light blue. Again, red, orange, yellow, and green. Red, orange, purple, green, light blue, and yellow. Red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, and purple. Amazing! Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.